And now we are going to explain what is meant by an ecosystem. Species do not exist by themselves in their own isolated environment. They interact with other species, forming communities. These communities interact with each other and the environment they live, forming ecosystems. So, an ecosystem is a relatively self-contained community of interacting organisms and the environment they live in and interact with. There is a flow of energy within an ecosystem, and the nutrients within it are recycled. And as previously mentioned, in an ecosystem, there are both the living or the biotic components and the non-living or the abiotic components. And ecosystems vary greatly in size and scale. For example, both a small pond in a back garden and the open ocean could be described as ecosystems. In addition, they can also vary in complexity. For example, a desert is a relatively simple ecosystem, whereas the tropical rainforest is a very complex ecosystem. Finally, no ecosystem is completely self-contained, as organisms from an ecosystem are linked to organisms from another. Such example is the bird. Birds are able to fly long distances to feed from multiple ecosystems.